Kashim Shettima dey capable to be vice presido for Nigeria. Tinubu na him talk this one. Asiwaju Bola Tinubu wey be the APC presidential candidate for 2023 election don go pay homage to Presido Buhari for his hometown Daura for Katsina State. People wey follow Tinubu for back na Aminu Bello Masari wey be governor for Katsina State, Sunday Dare wey be minister for youth and sports and other top people for APC. Asiwaju Bola Tinubu Konyan tori people say him substantive running mate na Kashim Shettima wey be former governor for Borno State. A constituent talk say Shettima dey very capable and dey competent to be vice presido for Nigeria.
The only one that was in place as a replacement we brought today, and there be already an announcement to replace him fully with a substantive one. Kashim Shettima. I have not discussed with him. I've disclosed it to you since I've disclosed it to the president.
Why Kashim Shettima?
No, that's because he competent, capable, reliable, and able.
Tinubu constituent talk say him dey confident say APC go win the 2023 presidential election sake of say them get the solution to the problems wey Nigeria dey face and them ready to serve the people.
Inshallah, we're going to win.
Why are you so confident?
Because we are a progressive party. We have the focus on Nigerian problems. We face the challenge squarely. We are not running away from it. We have a better program for the people and about the people and ready to serve. Within a short period of time, there will be a good foundation on infrastructure. We face challenges of terrorism, we know that. It's only, a poor thinker and observer will not recognize the challenge. But once you recognize the challenge, you can prepare yourself very well to tackle it and defeat it. And that is what our party is all about.
Presido Buhari constantly receive other top people for government when compare am Salah homage.
As our president of Nigeria and also our father, it becomes necessary for us to come and visit him and wish him all the best. As you know, that Salah is part of our religion, and these days are among the most blessed days religiously, and we have to come show our happiness to him and pray for him as well.
This is quite a solemn occasion. It's an occasion that depicts peace, born of friendship, and also prosperity in our land. So I've come to share the moment with him and to also thank him for giving purposeful leadership to our country.
It's a very opportune moment for us to come and thank Mr. President for the good work that he's doing, and for Allah to continue to guide him and to help him so that he will complete his tenure successfully and leave the legacy that we all look forward to looking back tomorrow and say that this man has done great for us.
This is a challenging time for the NNPC. What can you assure Nigerians?
Yes, first of all, there are issues around supply disruptions. This we are overcoming it. There are issues around pricing. We have resolved them. Inshallah, in the next 3 to 4 days, people will see relief. It will vanish. As we may all know, in most parts of the country, there are no fuel queues except Lagos and Abuja, and we understand the real logistic issues. We are resolving the logistic issue, and I'm very certain and convinced that within the next 2 to 3 days, this will vanish also.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.